Most engineers think MCP will replace APIs, but that's one of the biggest misconceptions in AI today. Let's understand the real difference in just 2 minutes. Think of an API as a specialized bridge. It's a rigid contract. You ask for something specific, and the server gives you exactly that. Nothing more, nothing less. Enter MCP, the Model Context Protocol. It's not a bridge, it's a universal of data and tools without custom code for every integration. For years, engineers had to build a new bridge for every single tool. It's powerful, but it's fragmented. The AI has to learn every bridge's unique rules. APIs have powered software communication for decades. They allow applications to exchange data through predefined endpoints using structured requests and responses. Imagine ordering food at a restaurant. The menu represents API endpoints. You can only request what's already available. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Instead of exposing isolated endpoints, it gives AI models standardized access to tools, prompts, and contextual information. Think of MCP as a universal USB-C connector for AI. Connect once, and the AI can intelligently discover and interact with compatible tools. Without MCP, developers build custom integrations for every application. With MCP, AI uses one consistent communication protocol across all connected tools. APIs expose software functionality. MCP exposes tools, prompts, resources, permissions, and context specifically designed for AI assistance. The important part is this: MCP doesn't replace APIs. In fact, most MCP servers internally call existing APIs to complete tasks. Today's AI coding assistants and enterprise agents increasingly adopt MCP because it standardizes access to diverse business systems. When should you use APIs? Build applications, mobile apps, websites, or backend services. When should you use MCP? Build AI assistants and autonomous agents.
Here's the easiest way to remember it.
APIs connect software to software. MCP connects AI models to the digital world. As AI agents become the future of software, understanding both APIs and MCP will become an essential developer skill. Follow for more AI concepts explained simply.